Hello guys, it's Esther and I'll show you how to draw Acro from Kirby. So Acro is an orca, which is also known as a killer whale. So we're going to draw a big teardrop with a pointy end, and we're going to add the little curve through the center of the whale. And then open up towards the end for the mouth. So now let's add the fin on top and one on the side, and then the ones on the back. Just outline the teardrop that we created and make a little point at the tip of the mouth that curves. Then do the bottom. And then I'm just going to use a thinner pen to make the teeth. I'm just doing a zigzag. And then a teardrop for the eye. And make a circle in the inside. And make a little shape for the top of the eye. And it's also like a teardrop. And then color in the eye. Go ahead and hit the thumbs up if you like the video and subscribe to my channel for more content. Thank you.